Malish Grit rotary brushes deliver a deeper clean in less time than traditional floor pads. These brushes feature silicone carbide-embedded nylon, ensuring self-replenishment as the brush wears. They outlast traditional floor pads by up to 200 to 1. Unlike traditional pads and mops, which spread dirt, germs, and bacteria, Grit brushes effortlessly clean grout lines and excel on uneven floors. Not to mention they are self-cleaning, so no more touching dirty pads and mop heads to wash them out. Plus, the easy color-coded system corresponds to the color of the pad it replaces. Grit brushes minimize changeouts, saving time and money. One brush can replace up to 200 pads, leading to average product cost savings up to 54%. From Grit Light for daily scrubbing to Grit Extra for aggressive cleaning or stripping, this lineup covers multiple applications across various surfaces. When the floors are bad, forget the pad. Discover the power of Malish Grit rotary brushes today.